In Karnataka, voter turnout reached an impressive 81.84% in three assembly constituencies by 10 pm on Wednesday, according to election officials. The bypolls took place in Shiggaon, Sandur, and Channapatna with over 7 lakh voters eligible to cast their ballots across 770 polling stations. These bypolls were held because the seats became vacant after the previous representatives E. Tukaram of Congress, former Chief Minister Basuraj Bommai of BJP, and Union Minister H.D. Kumarswamy of JDS were elected to the Lok Sabha in May. Channapatna saw the highest number of candidates with 31 in total, while Sandur had 6 contenders and Shiggaon had 8. Channapatna was a high-profile race featuring C.P. Yogeshwara, a 5-time MLA and former minister who recently joined Congress after leaving the BJP, and Nikhil Kumarswamy, an actor-turned-politician and son of H.D. Kumarswamy. After casting his vote, Yogeshwara expressed confidence, saying that there was a positive atmosphere and he felt the people of Channapatna supported Congress. Nikhil Kumarswamy shared that he was committed to working for the welfare of the people in the constituency.